Hair Boost is designed to address hair thinning, hair loss, and scalp health while improving overall hair growth and density. It helps stimulate hair follicles, enhance hair density, and reduce shedding for fuller, healthier-looking hair. Using advanced microneedling techniques, the treatment creates controlled microchannels in the scalp to stimulate the body's natural repair response. These microchannels also allow growth-supporting active ingredients to penetrate and absorb more effectively, helping nourish hair follicles, support scalp health, and promote healthier, more robust hair growth over time. Hair Boost is ideal for individuals experiencing early to moderate hair thinning or hair loss who are looking for a minimally invasive treatment to improve overall hair quality and scalp health. Results develop gradually with optimal improvement, typically achieved through a series of treatments. Most individuals notice fuller, healthier-looking hair in the weeks to months following treatment, with maintenance sessions recommended to support long-term results. The treatment takes approximately 35 to 60 minutes. Mild to moderate discomfort may be experienced during the procedure, and numbing may be used to enhance comfort. Book a consultation to see if this treatment is right for you.